Kaohsiung is a coastal city surrounded by lush greenery and refreshing sea breezes. I think one of the best and most comfortable ways to take in its beauty is by hopping on the light rail. The light rail stretches about 22 kilometers and completes a full loop around the city in roughly 90 minutes. We got off at the Museum of Fine Art Station, home to the famous Totoro Tunnel, which looks straight out of a Studio Ghibli movie and is often called the most beautiful light rail station in Taiwan. Most importantly, there's a vegetarian restaurant nearby that I simply couldn't miss. Ran Washoku is a renowned Japanese vegetarian restaurant located in Kaohsiung's Gushan district. It's celebrated for their amazing Japanese-inspired Taiwanese cuisine and is even popular with those who aren't vegetarians. It's the sister restaurant to the acclaimed omakase-style vegetarian sushi restaurant, Gorou Fine Japanese Cuisine, also in Kaohsiung. The owner and head chef, Mr. Hu Tsai-pin, has over 30 years of culinary experience. He founded his first vegetarian restaurant, Gorou, in 2020, earning numerous recognitions, including 500 plates and a 3-star rating in the Green Vegetarian Dining Guide. In 2024, he opened Ran Washoku. The restaurant's spacious seating area has both bar and booth options, perfect for various occasions and groups. One thing you'll notice right away is how young and energetic the team is. This is something Chef Hu really values. From the plating and flavors to the style of service, everything is designed to connect with the younger diners and promote vegetarian cuisine. Chef Hu shared that the main difference between his two restaurants is that one offers set omakase menus, while here, guests can order a la carte.
这边的菜我们设计让它变成有一个比较有趣的，就是说可以很轻松的，我今天来就完成一餐的蔬食的料理，
就是比较没有距离感。
对。
先帮您上一下，这个是蟹黄豆腐煲。 Ooh, mud crab roe
yeah.
tofu stew.
那我说过，我们要让蔬食变成容易理解的味道，我们尽可能让它用台湾的一些料理，蟹黄豆腐，哎呀，好熟悉的味道，你可以试试看。
除了蟹黄的味道之后，还有那个蟹肉的口感。
啊，你好会哦！是。它的蟹肉的确就是用菇，但我们用一种台湾的菇叫白精灵菇
（Shimeji mushroom）。
菇它有很多的鲜味，日文叫umami，但是你用热火炒它的话，它的鲜味会唰整个跑出来。
So the secret is to pan fry the shimeji mushroom. Let me try that at home. What is it that gives it this grainy texture?
它是绿豆，把壳去掉的绿豆。
哦，就像绿豆沙。
对，绿豆沙，所以吃起来会沙沙的，用那个去营造一个蟹黄的感觉，会沙沙的口感。
So such a simple little step brings a huge difference. California sushi. sushi roll. The soft shell crab sushi. Oh, I see mushroom. The lettuce, purple cabbage. What is the secret of this one?
OK， 这个菇是很特别的一种，它叫五菇。它的特色来自于有个花瓣状的这个一片一片的，它会很像那个软壳蟹，炸完之后会有一根一根带壳的感觉。
The maitake mushrooms are deep fried and seasoned with pepper salt. The sushi rice is mixed with black sesame to enhance its aroma, then combined with vegan soy mayonnaise and sesame sauce, creating a vegan sushi that wins everyone's heart.
This is the maitake mushroom. Flowy. Let's try this. It tastes like the shell, the crunchiness of the shell. The natural umami of the mushroom gives it a taste similar to seafood. So it's Japanese and Taiwan fusion. California sushi roll. Ah, big avocado. And dragon fruit.
每一年在洛梨的季节，我在我的寿司店会有这道菜。其实这道菜它有很多的细节，用很多东西组成。一个是紫苏西手，绿色的。
What's the other one?
一点点脆脆的，就是日本的腌萝卜。有一个很重要的关键，就是它的饭要很松，它要非常的松。然后第二个，它有一点点酱油，让它的油脂跑出来，跟 avocado 它会全部 match 在一起。
Okay, let's try this. There's so much going on my taste buds. The crunchiness, the natural oils, and the soy sauce that brings out the flavor of the natural oil of the avocado. Is that rice bits that's on the outside?
它是用火龙果的果汁做的 tempura 的面衣。
Oh. Okay, the contrast between the crunchy tempura and the rice. The rice, I love that contrast.
先慢上下麦饭。
Ooh, beautiful! The grilled eel rice bowl duo.
Now, this vegan eel is seriously impressive. Chef Hu explained it's made from potatoes, fresh bean curd, mung bean sheets, and takes 3 days to prepare. The steamed potatoes are thoroughly seared to reduce the starchy flavors, while the fresh bean curd is braised in teriyaki sauce until flavorful and fragrant. Everything is then wrapped using tofu paper and frozen to set. Before serving, it's slowly pan-seared until golden brown. Finally, it's brushed with a glossy vegan eel glaze. Absolutely mouth-watering.
OK， 这个是鳗鱼饭。你吃的话，你可以盛一点饭，然后加一块鳗鱼在里面，可以先直接这样吃，可以
先试试它原本的味道。
对。
Looks.
感受一下。
Oh, wait, let me try this first. this is a tofu pouch. It tastes just like fish.
对，它就是一层马铃薯，一层豆皮，一层凉粉皮。从侧边看起来是每一口都有，会让你吃起来像在吃一块烤鳗鱼。
那这个茶是
这个茶就是用这样的麦茶，
麦茶，
然后加一点高汤去把它做出来的。
So, the duo means you can have it just as it is, or you can have it as an ochatsuke.
我这样子可以。
Now, the star of the day.
Oh, so cute! So this is the Dandan noodle.
The soul of these vegan dandan noodles is obvious, the sauce. It's made with a blend of over 30 different spices, including Korean chili powder, ground peanuts, cumin powder, chili, oil, and sesame sauce. This dish was specially developed so even those who don't usually eat spicy food can enjoy it. The noodles are made exclusively for the restaurant and provide an amazing chew to the final product. The best way to eat them is to thoroughly mix the noodles until every strand is fully coated in sauce. The flavor is rich and fragrant without being too spicy. Paired with the beautifully glazed vegan eel, it's simply irresistible.
It tastes like chili, but it's not spicy.
对，它面非常的 Q。你这个声音太棒了。